Hey guys, so I'm having some issues with my Kawasaki Ninja H2. It's making this sound right here, so like everything else works fine. Like when I'm accelerating or when I'm changing gears, everything is fine. But it's just when it's idling, it's making that clanking sounds. So I don't know what it is. But it shifts gear just fine. The clutch feels just fine. I don't know what the sound is coming from, but. It only does it when it's on idle. So don't know what it is. I don't know if you guys know what it is. Let me know. Thanks guys.